Paying your T-Mobile home internet bill online is simple using either the T-Mobile app or the web portal. Both options offer secure and convenient ways to manage your payments. Open the T-Mobile app available on iOS and Android. Log in using your T-Mobile ID. Navigate to Billing and Payments and select Make a Payment. On the website, go to my.tmobile.com, sign in, and access the billing section. Choose your preferred payment method: credit or debit card, bank account, or digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal. Payments are processed instantly, and you'll receive a confirmation email. T-Mobile encourages digital payments, having phased out physical bill mailings, and over 85% of home internet customers now pay online. T-Mobile prioritizes security and user experience in its online payment systems. The app offers biometric authentication, including facial recognition and fingerprint scanning for secure logins. Two-factor authentication via SMS or app notifications is required for payments to add an extra layer of security. T-Mobile uses AES 256 encryption and complies with PCI DSS standards to protect your financial data. It is best to avoid using public Wi-Fi when making payments to prevent potential security risks. You can set up autopay to automatically deduct your payment from a linked account each month, ensuring uninterrupted service and avoiding late fees. The app and web portal also provide access to your bill history, usage summaries, and payment confirmations.